uy, mukhang makakalaro na yung nag-iisang Hong Kong national nila. Kasi kanina, all throughout the game, bangkulang itong number 86.
Win Lung Allen Chang as we begin this Pool B Game 2 match between Chooks to Go Bataan at ang Eddie Tours Hong Kong. First attempt, wala. Rebound ni Pasaol. They go to Franklin. Step back to, yes sir!
That's what we're going to be needing. We need that outside shooting because right now we can see that the height advantage belongs to them and the speed could be ours.
Ito yung advantage din natin, Magu, yung pagpinantayan ni Alvin itong si Chang, no?
Nanggigilang si Pasaol sa pagkakataon na yun as he bumped Chang out of bounds. He already had him trapped. He had nowhere to go.
And you gotta like it, he's gonna be sending the message.
And that two-point shot that you saw is brought to you by Chooks to Go, ang nag-iisang manok ng bayan. Bola natapik ni Okosa on back to live action. Wala. Rebound ni Franklin. Now, what do you think, Juan, ang kailangan gawin dito ng ating kuponan?
It's gonna be quick ball. As soon as somebody takes a shot, if ever we do get that rebound, it has to be passed outside and take that quick shot because we cannot, and we will have a hard time playing inside.
Mabilis ang palitan dito ng substitution, Magu. Obviously, we're trying to get those mismatches laban kay Chang.
At yan yung napansin natin doon sa mga world-class teams like Japan and Mongolia. Every dead ball, Sir Nolly and Juan, nagpapalit sila ng tao. Yan ang hindi ginawa ng Grindhouse Kings kanina. Ginagamit pa rin nila yung Filipino style na babaran. But when you see the world-class teams, palit lang ng palit. Paikot lang ng ikot ng tao.
Excellent point. At nakikita natin yung kung gagawin dito as we take a look at Allen Chang missing that two-point shot badly. Narito si Travis Franklin. Sasaksak sa loob. Hinabol, ginamit ng kaliwat. May foul. Laban kay Okosa.
Alam mo, hindi pa natin masyado na gagamitan ng advantage yung matchup ni Chang against Santi Santillan. That's definitely to our favor, but we haven't really spotted it and maximized it.
By the way, we are using international referees here, gentlemen. Lahat yata ng kuponan nagdala ng kanilang mga kanya-kanyang mga referees, or at least, of course, we have FIBA referees officiating and even a lady referee here today.
Ang isa pang question mark dito, yung chemistry factor naman para sa Chooks to Go Bataan. Alam natin, itong si Carl Dehesa, who was playing for Bigan, has come in to replace Sean Manganti.
And dalawa lang dyan ang talaga magkakampi. Ito si Alvin Pasaol at si Santi Santillan. But you've got two other guys now in that mesh. How do you think they will fare together?
What do you think of that move as you take a look at this outside shot ni Okosa, Magu? Yung pinaltan si Sean Manganti ni Carl Dehesa.
Yung pagkakapalit kay Asisio with the import, that adds more height. Pero yung Sean Manganti, he brings that explosiveness. Titignan natin if Dehesa can bring the same to the table.
Good defense there by Carl Dehesa as we see Chang. Hindi pa bumapasok si Jones sa larong ito. At maubusan ang shot clock ang Hong Kong. And now we wished the wrong thing. Pumasok na si Jones.
To ask for it, Sir Nolly. And that's it. That's a go signal. And now, let's see how we're going to fare. This is the strongest three that this team would have against us. Let's see how we're going to be faring.
I think na-realize nila, katulad ng game nila kanina, naubusan sila sa dulo eh. Dahil hindi nila ginamit si Chang at all. So ngayon, inumpisa nila si Chang, hoping na Jones will have enough left in the tank in the end game.
Ang problema, lamang na ng 5 ang Pilipinas dito. Yung pong Bataan Risers outside shot ni Walker o Sablay. Loose ball picked up by Pasaol.
You like how Jones and Pasaol are matching up against each other. Talagang banggaan. Nararamdaman natin umaalog yung sahig.
Oh, look at Pasaol!
Wala ba foul doon? Hindi tinawagan. Magkaan sa ilalim na agaw ni Pasaol. Sapal ni Jones and there's a foul.
You like how Alvin Pasaol just plays on. He knows what muscle he brings to the game.
Kaya nga binabansagan ni Dr. J. Andy how na baby tank itong si Alvin Pasaol. He knows how to use his weight. He throws it around even though he's undersized.
Yan ang timbangan ng bayan. Kasi may manok ng bayan, ititimbangin mo yan. Si Alvin Pasaol yun. Uy, kapos lamang ang kanyang free throw na bitawan ata.
Mukhang naalog siya dun. Ang lakas ng hampas sa kanya ni Jones. And Jones is sending a message to the Philippine Buon Bataan Riser lineup. And they're saying, this is how it's done in the Asia Pacific if you want to match against us.
Hindi pa po nakakascore ang Hong Kong dito. Sasaksak sapal ni Carl Dehesa. That's a great block by Carl Dehesa on the driving Walker.
So that's what he brings.
Yes.
The hustle of Carl Dehesa. Sinagot yung tanong natin.
Tama.
And again, si Carl Dehesa has played and represented the country already before in 3x3 and they did well. And kaya naman siya nandyan compared to the contribution of Sean Manganti, not taking anything away from him.
Alam natin ang kaliber niyan si Carl Dehesa. And the ball will go Bataan's way. Tumira sa labas si Dehesa. No, a little short. Rebound ni Jones. Here's Walker inside. Back to Jones. Nakipagbanggaan sa ilalim at naagawan. At ang bola babalik sa panig ng Bataan.
For a minute there, Chooks to go Bataan going small. We saw Japan do the same to this anonymous or an Any Tours M1 team earlier on. They were successful. Yung nakakuha naman ng stop yung Chooks to go.
Uy, baksak si Okosa. Pick ni Pasaol. Inilabas ni Carl Dehesa. Libre. Patay!
That's how quick it is. You cannot. If ever you do fall down, may mga ganong mess-ups, you gotta get back kasi ang bilis ng pace ng laro natin.
Tulukan na ng tulukan sa ilalim si Okosa at lahat ng mga kakampi. Walker sasaksak sa loob. Mahina. Rebound. Nakuha ni Carl Dehesa. Inilabas kay Pasaol. He will take a 2. Yes, sir!
Alvin Pasaol, definitely a professional shot maker. And he comes up with a stop as well.
Open for 2. Another one. No, wala. 9-0 is our score. And there's a whistle finally called here.
And alam mo, ito yung kagandahan, ito yung na-realize natin. But take a look at first this open jumper by Alvin Pasaol. Nothing but the bottom of that net. But the Philippines, because of our realization in the FIBA world, nakita natin na sobrang physical. Hindi tayo pwede mapikon. So in our tournament, in the first leg, yung Chooks to go natin, ganun ka-physical lahat ng kupunan. Ngayon, hindi na tayo apektado.
And a whistle off the ball here. Tila si Dehesa tatawagan ng foul as he held Okosa on that pick and roll play.
Both squads now with 3 team fouls apiece. Pagdating ng 7 free throws ang bigayan niya.
Wala pa pong puntos yung Any Tours M1 Hong Kong. And that's their first point courtesy of Jones on the layup. Dehesa from the outside, short. 6 and 8 remaining here in this game.
You can see now, Jones, hindi na kasi ang kumukuha sa kanya si Pasaol, trying to work his way inside.
Mahina layup niya. Rebound ni Santillan. Santillan will try his luck from the outside. Wala. Rebound. Tinapik ni Jones. Naputak Dehesa. Balik ni Santillan. He loses the ball. And that'll go out of bounds.
Could have been a good play para dito sa Chooks to go 1 Bataan. Just slip of the fingers para kay Santi Santillan.
This is a big lead, Magu, and obviously, makikita natin dito na, uy, ang ganda ng tira ni Okosa. That's the first 2-point shot. But the boys are parang sukat na sukat dito Hong Kong, ano?
Alam mo, dahil 3x3 to, yung 6 na puntos na lamang ng Chooks to go Bataan, malaking bagay na yan kasi 2 points and 1 point po ang ating point system dito.
Merong one-upmanship dito nangyayari. Franklin and Osaka trying to take on each other. They've been talking all throughout. Look at that. He just rubs it in his face as well.
Kaya mo yun, kaya ko rin. Ito ngayon, Walker. Sapal na naman si Walker ni Alvin Pasaol.
Akalain mo yung Alvin Pasaol? Tapal king yung datingan, Philip Cesar.
Oh.
Take a look at this replay. Just the crossover and timing it well. Tingnan mo, nakipagsabayan siya sa area, absorbing the contact and taking that shot block.
Wow, nakita mo na ba mag-dumipensa ito siya Pasaol sa UAAP?
Tsaka isipin mo, nakakasabay siya. Kala mo, deceiving yung kanyang weight and yung kanyang stature. But apparently, he's got that hops.
Right now, he is showing why he's one of the best 3x3 players in the Philippines. As we take a look at a 2-point shot by Alvin Pasaol, brought to you by Chooks to go, ang nag-iisang manok ng bayan. 10-3 is our score. A big 7-point lead para sa 1 Bataan Risers. Franklin spins, goes inside, and he is clipped by Okosa.
So far, it's getting to Okosa's head. That quickness of Franklin in that first step is now taunting that defense of Okosa.
Nag-uusap na nga dito si Okosa at si Walker. Paano ba nila pipigilan yung mga atake ni Franklin? Hirap pag medyo nagkakasisihan na.
Oo, nagkakatitigan na eh. Walker sa labas, pasok. So that is a meek answer to what has been so far a dominating performance by Bataan. There's a foul prior to the shot. There's a foul that will be called against Jones as Travis Franklin will take his first rest of the game.
So this is our first time we're having the 3 all-Filipino lineup, and let's see how we're going to be faring.
Bitawan ng bola ni Pasaol, napunta kay Walker. Let's see. They're looking, the referees are looking at each other. White ball. Same ball daw.
Nakikita natin yung strategy dito ng Hong Kong is really quick inbound and take that immediate shot from the tube. Ganun pa lang sila nakakapunto sa atin.
Push shot ni Pasaol, wala. Rebound ni Okosa. Goes to Walker. He is outside. Back to Okosa. He said a 2 kanina. Susubok ulit. Wala na yan.
But I like what the Philippines is doing at this point because we're short-handed in terms of height. Alam natin na pag nakipag-agawan tayo ng rebound, mahihirapan tayo. So ang ginagawa nila, tinatapik na lang nila palabas kung saan malamang sa malamang may tao tayong tatanggap.
Bumalik sa laro si Travis Franklin. Iniupo si
can't kick
Santi
that.
Santillan. And
You
there's a
cannot kick that.
technical foul laban kay Jones.
Yung check ball niya, sinipa niya papunta kay Pasaol eh. And that is already the second infraction of that delay of game. So it'll mean a technical free throw.
Ini-explain ngayon ng mga referee natin kay Jones.
Problema din nila kanina yan nung first game
Ah.
eh. Yung pag-check ball, pati yung pag-clear ng bola, nanggugulo sila. Hindi pa sila ganun kasanay sa 3x3.
Yeah, that's interesting to know. Tinitingnan nga natin dito yung mga teams dito, lalo na yung Mongolia. Alam natin na familiar faces to. Talagang naglalaro sila sa FIBA World. But Hong Kong seems to be adjusting.
Yung Mongolia at yung Japan on a different level. You see it as we go along.
Ngayon kasi naman ang Mongolia, siguro ilan lang naman na naglalaro to. Sila lang. Lamang tayo ng 6 dito. Bataan ang lamang po para sa Pilipinas. Sablay ang tirang ni Dehesa. Nasa kanto siya. Iniwanan ni Ocosas. Nung lumapit, sinaksakan ni Dehesa in a good stretch.
What a hesitation move.
At doon mo yung sinabanggit mo, Juan, si Dehesa may experience na yan sa International 3x3.
Naakaw na naman on the turnover. Tira ni Pasaol. Sablay. Rebound ni Walker. High up for that one. Pasa niya. Naagaw ni Dehesa. Bumalik kay Walker. Pinayungan ni Pasaol. But a good drive by Walker.
That was a great challenge, but even better shot.
12-6 ang ating score. Only 3:48 remaining. Franklin gets away. Misses with the left. Bola nakuha ni Walker.
Medyo napagod na siya doon pagdating doon sa tira niya. Nakipagpanggaan siya kay Jones.
Boom! Nice shot by Joshua Walker. And don't look now. This lead is down to 4. Pasaol gets away. Blocked by Okosa, but there's a foul.
You can see how unfazed Pasaol is despite the physicality. He gets up, goes to his spot, and he's gonna take now this free throw.
Alam mo, nung nagsisimula tayo dun sa Chooks to Go Pilipinas, medyo napipikon pa ng konti. Nag-iba na yung kanyang mindset. After all those legs, nakita niya kung paano pinapayagan ng refs ang pisikalan dito sa 3x3. It's a different ball game talaga. It's a different style. And Pasaol makes the first. Oh, by the way, nasa penalty na po ang AnyTours M1 Hong Kong. So that will mean every foul now that they give up will be 2 free throws para sa Bataan Risers up to the 10th team foul. Second free throw missed by Pasaol. Here's Okosa from the corner. Where's the whistle here?
They're gonna call it on Santi Santillan holding on to Jones.
Only the 4th team foul para sa Bataan.
And you can see how the game of Hong Kong is also evolving while they're playing. Siguro they're trying to figure it out now.
Take a look at our penalty situation system here, Magu.
Yun nga, no? Nasa 17 fouls na etong AnyTours M1, kaya 2 free throws pinamimigay nila. Pagdating sa 10, 2 shots plus possession pa yan.
Naubusan na naman ang shot clock itong Hong Kong. Hindi pa talaga sanay, no? Hindi pa sila sanay.
That's I think the 3rd time na naputukan sila ng shot clock.
Sanayan din talaga eh. Minsan ang akala mo yung body mo 24, yun ang hinahabol mo
Yes,
na
sir.
regular game.
Mabilisan talaga ang basketball dito sa 3x3.
Franklin against Walker, nearly taken away and there's a foul. Laban kay Walker, so that's 2 free throws again.
They had
for
to whistle
Franklin.
it. Kung hindi nila ipipito yung foul, traveling yung mangyayari kay Franklin doon. And now, dito pwedeng maging palabigasan na to ng Chooks to Go Bataan.
Again, ang mananalo po dito dun sa mga hindi pa masyadong pamilyar sa 3x3 ay yung una makaka-21 puntos or leading after 10 minutes of action. First free throw missed by Franklin.
You know he's frustrated with that shot because nga sinabi nga natin kanina, dito na nga sila makakakuha ng madadaling puntos. Hirap na hirap tayo makapuntos sa mas mabigat at mas malakas na kampunan ng Hong Kong, but the free throws will be crucial for us.
He makes a second to give a 6-point lead para sa Bataan. Remember, a loss here by Hong Kong will eliminate them. Based on our format, only 2 teams per pool will make the quarterfinals. Short na tira ni Dehesa from the outside. Here's Okosa looking at the scoreboard. He drives, gets away. Nice move by Okosa.
So starting to settle down here.
Malakas ang tira ni Santillan. Hinabol ang bola. Uy, hawak-hawak na yung leg. Walang foul. Black ball. Oh. And before we go back to live action, let's give you Mara Aquino for a report. Mara?
Now, two of the imports of Hong Kong, Josh Walker and Terrence Jones, have been playing together for 12 years in semi-pro and in 5 countries. Wherever Walker goes, he takes Jones and vice versa. They're confident with the chemistry, but now they may be big, but this is their very first 3x3 tournament. They said basketball is basketball, but clearly they're still not used to the fast-paced action, and that may be the reason why they're down in this game, guys.
Thank you very much, Mara. Well, obviously, hindi pa talaga sanay. Nung nakikita mo yung kanilang body language, even the way they move in a 3x3 floor, it's very different when you play a 5-on-5
And
game.
if you don't pace yourself well, katulad nga na sinabi ng Magu, yung unang laban nila, hingal na hingal sila. This time you can see Walker just walking now down the floor.
Hindi na nga tumatalo si Okosa eh. Mukhang pagod na tong Hong Kong. At sila naghahabol ng 5 dito with 2:17 remaining.
Wala nang saba na nangyari para sa side ng Hong Kong. Sa bandang Pilipinas naman, balasa lang ng balasa. Every 2 minutes or a minute, they shift players.
Kaya nga pinagkikwento namin ni Coach Charles kanina, itong si Chang parang nagpa-uniforme lang para sa kanila.
Ano lang may sabi, may Hong Kong ano.
Para sabihin niya kay Chong na narito siya sa Pilipinas. Uy, kinapitan na lamang ni Terrence Jones si Travis Franklin.
Yun yung ngayon pagod. Hindi na sinasabayan. Hahawakan mo na lang. Ang problema, 2 shots na naman yan. And that puts you on the brink. Susunod dyan ng foul. 2 shots plus possession pa.
And if Franklin makes these 2 free throws, that puts us up by 6. And with 2 minutes remaining, mukhang mahirap habulin yun.
Although nagsablay dito si Franklin. Remember, this is a single round robin among the pool members. There are 4 pools, only 8 teams will advance to the quarters. Nice move by Walker. Lead is down to 4. Libre si Pasaol. Yes, sir!
You gotta respect that outside shooting of Alvin Pasaol. Sinabi nga natin, deceptive ang kanyang stature.
Tatapigin sana ni Okosa. Napunta ang bola kay Pasaol. Ilalabas nila. But errant pass coming from Alvin Pasaol. They're up comfortably here by 6 with 1:39. And the 2 Philippine teams looking to book their first win here. Good signs going into the quarterfinals. Walker, supply. Nasapal na naman ang bahagya ni Pasaol.
He's got, what, 3 blocks in the whole game?
Sabi ko nga, hindi mo nakikita sa UAAP. Naglalaro siya sa UE. Tira ni Franklin, wala. Okosa gives it to Walker. Matik na mapitawan. He forces one up. Bad shot. Pasaol. Sabi niya, ganito pare, ganito. Another 2-point shot for Alvin Pasaol.
They're just giving now the shots dito sa Hong Kong and just letting them shoot lights out, but it's not working.
Pinabayaan na lamang ni Franklin. They are way ahead here. They need only 2 points to wrap up this game. Ito na kaya, game ball. Yes! Alvin Pasaol calling game, making game.
He lives up to the hype of the Alvin Pasaol from the 5 legs that we had in the 3x3.
And that effectively knocks off Hong Kong from contention. Etong One Bataan will be taking on Japan later for the top seed in Pool B. Importante yan dahil bukas ang makakalaban, yung Pool D kung nasaan nandun ang New Zealand.
And yung huling 2-point shot ni Alvin Pasaol was brought to you by Chooks to Go, ang nag-iisang manok ng bayan. And again, as we said, Alvin Pasaol, one of the best 3x3 players. His legend is growing every day.
And again, you can just be amazed by and he brings that flavor to the game. You know, he attracts a lot of crowd, a lot of audience because of that, yung angas na dinadala niya. And his shots actually deliver, but our best player of the game, Travis Franklin.
In and out. Strong move, Magu, and he played really well in his first game para sa Bataan.
Nice impression he has left here talking about that man. And he is with Mara Aquino.
Here with me is the best player of the game, Travis Franklin. You went up against 3 big imports, yet you guys still dominated the game. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. That was a big win. Good for our confidence.
Now, this is your first time in the Philippines, first game with 3x3, first game with One Bataan Risers, and first time to be best player here in the Philippines soil. What made the game so easy for you?
Oh, well, it's just like 5-on-5. You know, my teammates gave me a great confidence, you know, to go out there and lead them. They did a hell of a job playing hard, making shots, and it was, you know, it was fun. The most part, it was fun.
Thank you so much and congratulations.